Okay, I'll do another wee song now that I have written myself, and it's called Would You Sell Your Soul? I have always wanted things that seem impossible, but there's always that faint glimmer of hope that burns so bright. You allow to flicker in and out of your consciousness, and you taught me that the glass is never half empty but half full. You've given breath to every fantasy that comes to me late at night. Half awake, half asleep, and I can hear your laugh, and it touches me like gold. I can feel your smile like a cool breeze on a summer's day. I'd sell my soul for that, but would you sell your own soul to me? Would you sell your own soul to me? Can I hope for that? Can I wish? Can I dream? And I can't promise you. Will I lose it? Will I bruise it? Now it seems like things are not so unattainable, and fate has given me this chance to grab exactly what I want, but I'm afraid to risk it all for love. Can you help me with that? Now in all this madness I've begun to realize exactly what I've got and how much that I stand to lose. It's a shame. I feel I have to choose between the friend that I have and the lover I could gain. Can you help me with that? And I can hear your laugh, and it touches me like gold. I can feel your smile like a cool breeze on a summer's day. I'd sell my soul for that, but would you sell your own soul to me? Would you sell your own soul to me? Can I hope for that? Can I wish? Can I dream? And I can't promise you. Will I lose it? Will I bruise it? Will I lose it? Will I bruise it?
Thank you very much, Leona.
Well
That
done.
was Leona Lees, and certainly that folk singing was tremendous. Leona's coming to the Marquee here on Monday night, and Leona, if you can be free on Monday or Tuesday next week, you drop in and we'll hear you again.
Thank you very much.
It certainly was a pleasure sitting listening to you, and that piece there you wrote, Another Wave, a tremendous piece, and keep up the good work, and thank you for coming along.
Thank you.
Yes, absolutely, we've done it. We've had a couple of text messages in there saying that Leona has an amazing voice, and we've had a couple of requests as well. We've had a request to play a song for Samuel Wilson from his sister Frances. So we're going to play him Country Roads, and we've had another text in from Michelle to play Patsy Cline Walking After Midnight. So we're going to play those, and we will get back to you. Please do text us on 077 326 99137.
The be honest, that was absolutely, I mean, that was tremendous. I never thought you were as good as singing. And that first piece is class. You should get Andres, thank you. Well, you'll go back again, if you can.
Well, I'll make it work next time.
Yeah, well, that's it. Well, you more than that, yeah, more than that. Well, anyway, I was going to say, the culture in,
Yeah.
but thank you very much for coming. And sure, father and mother listening to it, you know.
Well, Mum was his teacher to finish
Well, I tell you, that was tremendous. I really enjoyed that. I was nearly going to ask you about age or anything, so I better not. You know, you said you're sticking well in the and that was.
it. We're in Mother's age.
Yeah, well, I know I'm around the same age or a wee bit older, you know. But that certainly was enjoyable, you know. And looking forward to really get to watch it. Bring your friends along and bring your enemies.
Yes, so a couple of people, and if somebody comes